Dear students, I am Dr. Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Government First Grade College, Shira, Tumkur District. The topic of today's lecture is control of fleas, comes under the siphon of terror. So this comes under paper 4, that is insect vectors and diseases, BSc 4th semester Zoology, Tumkur University. As far as the control of fleas are concerned, the adult fleas which are present in the different animals, that too the domestic animals like cattle, dogs, cats, buffaloes, and also the goats and sheep, dogs, etc. So since these are the domestic animals, so one has to taken care in order to control the fleas. So these fleas, since they are the potential vectors, they can able to transmit the various kinds of the disease causing agents from one organism to another organism. So one has to look into the control of these fleas, especially in the residential environment, that too in the domestic environment. The adult fleas spend most of their time on animals. So, but the flea eggs, larvae, and pupae are most often found in the pets environment. Here, the pets are nothing but the domestic cats and dogs which are present in our livelihood. So, inside the houses, especially. So these eggs, larvae and pupae are deposited in the carpets, bedding material, and also under the furniture edges. Therefore, a truly effective flea control program always includes treating the environment as well as treating the pet organisms which are present in the houses. The spray is one of the general method which is practicing in order to kill the fleas in the residential environment. The various kinds of the insecticidal anti-flea sprays are available in the market. So those sprays are usually spreaded or sprayed in and around the houses. These are the pet organisms which are usually domesticated. As far as the flea control is concerned, there are the flea control programs which are operating. So that involves the remove of fleas from the indoor environment, that is inside the houses, and the remove of fleas from outdoor environment, that is outside the houses, that is the residential environment, and remove the fleas from the body of the pet organisms like cats and dogs present in the houses, and the control of fleas in the indoor environment. This is very important. So indoor flea control involves mechanically removing all stages of the fleas like the egg, larva, pupa which are present in the houses by killing any remaining adult fleas which are present in the indoors and preventing the immature from developing into the adult fleas. So this can be done by various measures in the houses by using the vacuum cleaners and other instruments. As far as the controlling is concerned, the ingredients generally include the insecticidal synthetic agents like permethrin and also pyrethrin. Permethrin and pyrethrins are usually used as an ingredients in order to control the fleas. As far as the sprays are concerned, flea control sprays are available in the market as a part of aerosols, and they are usually kept in the pump bottles in different concentrations. Choose a product that contains an adulticide. Adulticide, they effectively kill the adult fleas. Dips is one of the method which is practicing in order to kill the adult flies or the different stages of development, that is the egg, larva and the pupal and immature stages. So that can be controlled by dipping method. So dips and rinses are applied to the entire animal, that is the pet animal. They generally have some residual activity. They should be applied in a well ventilated area, that is outdoor. Outside the houses you can exercise this dipping method. It is helpful to put the cotton balls in the pet's ears like cats ಮತ್ತು dogsಗೆ. So you should keep the cotton in the ears. In the ears ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಿವಿಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅವುಗಳಿಗೂ ಹತ್ತಿ ಇಟ್ಬೇಕು. And the eyesಗೆ the ointment has to be applied. Even with these precautions, be careful not to get any of the product in the pet ears or eyes. Care should be taken that the whatever the anti-flea agent which is usually treated with the water, so that has not to be entered into the eyes and the ears. Dips or rinses may contain pyrethrins, permethrins or organophosphates. There are various shampoos are available. The flea shampoos help to primarily get rid of the pet by the adult fleas. Most shampoos contain the pyrethrins. The pyrethrins are the synthetic agents which usually kills the fleas. The oral products can also be used in order to kill the adult fleas. To kill adult fleas on pet organisms in a faster way, the another option is a product called Capster. Capster is a product which kills the adult fleas. So this product comes in the tablet form, and it is especially useful in the situations where pet organisms are more likely to be exposed to the fleas. Okay, when the pet organisms like the cats and dogs are having more number of fleas, so then you can use the Capster tablet form. So because of this product will work on both adult and also the immature fleas. Whatever the immature fleas and the adult fleas present in the body of the pet organism, that will be effectively killed by the application of the tablet, that is Capster. Flea combs, that is the comb the pet organisms, that is the dogs and cats, then place the fleas into the detergent water. So collected the fleas during combing in the comb, they are usually collected in the detergent water, so which will kill them. The detergent agent will kill the fleas. This is the combing of the pet organisms. So while combing you can get the fleas, and these fleas are immersed into a detergent powder, so that ultimately they are killed. The home remedies for controlling the fleas involves the rosemary and the garlic can be used, applying aloe vera gel on the body surface of the pet organisms, inclusion of the sulfur in the diet of pet organism can also helpful in killing the fleas. Spraying of the mixture of tea tree oil and water. The mixture of tea tree oil and water, this mixture can also be sprayed onto the body of the uh, the pet organisms. It will be helpful in minimizing the flea population on the body. The use of herbal shampoos for bathing of the pet organism can minimize the uh, the fleas on the body of the pet organism. The black walnut hulls and also the fennel seeds, the powder can also be used, applied on the body of the pet organism to control the fleas. And at the same time, adding the vinegar to the pet's regular drinking water, it is also helpful in order to get rid of the fleas on the body of the pet organisms. So dear students, so this is all about the control of the fleas on the body of the organisms. So this is the reference materials along with the link. And this is the time of COVID-19 pandemic. Second wave is being operating now. Take maximum precautions. Don't go outside. Wash your hands frequently with soap and sanitizer. Cover the face with face covering or face mask. Maintain the social distance or the physical distancing of minimum 2 meters between the individuals. Stay home, stay safe, save lives. Thank you.